You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet.
Hey guys, it's Billy, the head trader at Elite Trading. And today, I would like to do something very different here using TradingView, right? So what I'm going to do here is go back here to random days, right? Days that I didn't even know what happened, have no idea what happened, and then just take some live trades here using the system that I've developed. And I think that's going to be the best lesson, for you guys. Let's just make sure here it's right at the beginning. The only thing I don't like about TradingView, it's still right, the speed, it goes a little quicker than usual. Okay, we can start on this day here. Okay, let's see if I can go back a little bit more. Boom, 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 boom. Oops, I don't want you guys to think I'm seeing what happened. Just want to show you guys the real skills, the skills of a bouncer. All right. Hope you guys are no longer being scammed by the bouncer. Right? So let's just go into this day here and see what happened. It's a very random day. I don't even know. Okay. Yeah, let's just leave it here since it started here, or else, right, we're gonna waste a lot of time. So, let's hit play. It's a 0.3. It's still way faster than. Okay, I'm gonna get a bounce off the 50 here, guys. Given it, my stop would be at this level, 39.7240. My target here, very tight. Right, not much timing distance, 39.77. Right. So, okay. Right at my target. Right, 39.7701. Right. I did not, as you guys know, everything here is so random and it happened so quick, right? So that was a $3.51. But with the speed, well, I don't know the real speed, right? But on the option side, it would have paid, good money. So looking to my left here, yeah, that was a nice spot right there. Should I get another? Yeah, I'll get another bounce off the 50 here, right? This double top here, I'm not getting in. Well, I might get in here. Okay, let's short this and try to get this to the 50. It got to the 50, but it gets there like so quick, right? Can you guys see it? It's so fast. Oops. Okay. Did I sell? I did. Oh, I did not. Oops. Okay, now I'm out, right? Okay, $5.04 up here. So let's just see here. Where would I get in? Yeah, I'm gonna get in here very quickly. Let's just take a look here on the overall trend. Yeah, that bounced off the 50. It just happened so quick, right? Okay, should I get into this one? Okay, I'm gonna short this. Gonna wait for the pop again and then short it. Um, this level here, 39.82. Or okay, I might. Um, yeah, we can see the VCP happening here, guys. The volatility compression pattern, right? When that happens, we know there's going to be an explosive move, right? And probably take out the high of day, right? I'm going to be short at 39.83, 39.82.98. Okay, I'm short. A little slow. 5 points is my stop. Mop 101. Oops. Out at a 21. So the thing is, unfortunately, I can only, as far as I know, because I just learned that I can actually trade off of the replay. I didn't know that until now. So if I had multiple contracts or multiple shares here, I would have just in pieces, right? And let me see, should I get this off the 21 here? Let's see the dragon pattern. Okay, off the 50, I'm in. 5 points. Okay. All right. Let's see if I'm gonna see if I can buy another one. Oh, I can. I didn't know that. That's awesome. Okay, I can. I didn't know I could. Right, 5 points is my stop. Right, as soon as get profitable here, I'm gonna sell one. As it's popping to the 50, it popped right into the 50 here, and then it bounced, guys. Right, right at the 50 there again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oops, it broke the 50 right into this level here. Oops, there you go. I'm all out at this head and shoulders here. You guys can see where I got in and where I got out. Best entries as always. Up 10 points, 952. No, I cannot believe it's not recording. Oh, no, it is. It is recording. Okay. All right. Okay. Distance. Nice distance here. I'm short. Explosive move. And then I'll add some here at this 39.88 level. Okay, added one. I'm down 271 and 105, 215. Oops, sold one, down 63 cents, up 45, down 26. If I get a retest, I am getting back in, right? Let's try to get this down to the 50. Yeah, it's looking pretty strong. So yeah, but we gotta get to 39.85 here. So I'm adding another one here on this breakout. I'm down 285. Remember, okay, 5 points total. Okay, I'm up. Okay, up 246. Let's try to get this to the 50. All out. And now here it comes to the 50. Long at the 50. Oops, late entry because it moves so quick. And then I'm out at this head and shoulders here. I'm out. Approaching the head and shoulders. I'm out. $13.41 on options on a couple of few scalps. That is a lot of money on SPX, guys. That is a lot of money, especially when you know how to choose the right strike. right? As you guys know, I bought the 50 again here, right? My target here, it's very short. Right? Oops, it already hit my target here. Oops, I'm out. Right? It has that approach to head and shoulders, right? $13.74 real quick. This is as if I was trading options, not equity. Right? And just to show you guys like my system here, right? Like no matter which direction the market's bullish, I can buy puts all day. The market's bearish, I can buy calls all day and make money. Once again, I got back at the 50. Out. Right there. Boom. See how you do it? This ain't for no bouncers. All right, guys. I just wanted to leave you guys with this. All right. Yeah, please make sure you like, subscribe. Turn the Supreme Accelerator program, guys. All right, be safe. All right, ciao.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I